Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Start now by prioritizing your connection. You want a wired Ethernet link because Wi-Fi adds jitter and packet loss. Once plugged in, close background apps to free bandwidth and CPU cycles. Make sure your browser and controller firmware are up to date. Outdated drivers create input lag and micro-stutters. While you do that, check Windows power settings, set to performance, and disable VPNs temporarily. These actions reduce latency sources immediately and prepare the PC for the streaming adjustments that follow. Once your PC is prepared, change Xbox Cloud streaming options. Choose a lower quality preset to cut bitrate and reduce buffering. This directly lowers latency. If available, cap resolution to 720p or 1080p and limit frame rate. Fewer pixels means faster frame delivery. Enable any low latency or reduced input buffer features the service offers, and make sure other household devices aren't saturating the uplink. These mid-step tweaks trade visual fidelity for responsiveness, which is what fixes perceived. Finish by rebooting your modem, router, and PC. This clears buffer bloat and reestablishes optimal routing. Clear the browser cache, change DNS to a fast resolver like 1.1.1.1 and run a speed test. You want consistent results, ideally 15 megabits down and 5 up or better for stable play. If issues persist, check for packet loss with a simple ping or Ethernet trace, then contact Xbox support with your measured numbers. A single troubleshooting tip: log your speed test results before calling. It speeds diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.